Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're signed in and you found the file. Start by deciding whether you need a brand new link or just updated permissions. Once decided, right-click the file and choose Make a copy to force a new file ID or Open Share to edit access if you only need updated permissions. Make a copy when you need a different URL. Edit permissions when the same URL can keep working. This gets the process moving immediately toward a refreshed shared link. Once the copy exists, open it and go straight to Share, then Get Link. Set the link access level. Choose anyone with the link for broad access or restricted for controlled access. Make sure you assign the correct role: viewer for read only, commenter for feedback, editor to allow changes. If temporary access is required, add an expiration on individual permissions. Make these choices now, because they determine who can use the refreshed link. After setting permissions, copy the new link and immediately test it in a browser where you're not signed in, or use an incognito window to confirm exactly what recipients will see. Once verified, send the updated link to your recipients, and if you created a new link to replace an old one, revoke access on the old file. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache or use incognito, then recheck sharing settings and ownership to resolve mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.